Okay, I'm gonna go see what they're doing. If you don't know who I'm talking about, the Salior Gardens. They're at my house for some odd particular reason. Okay. Chibiusa, what are you doing?
Make a chicken.
Jupiter!
No, that's a chicken. That's chicken.
Jupiter! Jupiter, wake up! Are you okay?
Well,
why are you getting
not
cooked?
talk. I just make her a chicken right now.
Why are you turning her into a chicken? Oh my God,
So
no!
then she can be beautiful.
What do you mean? You're cooking her into pieces.
Just by the way, I'm just cooking her a chicken. Hey!
No, I will not accept this. You're not gonna cook my best friend to the chicken.
It tastes so good.
You cannot do that, boy. You cannot, or else it'd be cannibalism. Cannibalism means that you're eating other humans. Chibiusa, come here.
Please.
No, let go.
Stop it.
Do you want me to tell your sister or not?
Fine, I should make a chicken.
Make a real chicken, not a human chicken. I'm just gonna be on the bed. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna be on the bed. Yeah, I'm gonna join you.
Why are you a chicken?
I am not a chicken. Wait, Chibiusa, is it true?
Yeah.
We're gonna about to cook our friend Jupiter to the chicken?
Well,
Or like, are we
you
gonna-
turn to a chicken.
I'm not gonna turn to a chicken.
Okay. I think I should make you a chicken.
I'm out.
Make you a chicken.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna turn to a chicken, Luna. Okay. What's the red things? Oh, those are just, I don't know what. What are you doing this? Chibi, come here.
Yeah.
Why are you cooking me into a chicken?
So you have to be beautiful. Chicken is beautiful.
So you say if I turn to a chicken, I'll be beautiful?
Yes.
It's not gonna work. Ow! Chibi!
There you go.
I'm just gonna go with the
Now
others. I'm just gonna be right here. I'm gonna be right here, don't mind. Okay, sounds good.
I can still feel you.
Stop cooking your sister!
So then, I'm making this. And Chip makes chicken too.
Is that Chip? Did Chip turn into a bag of potato chips?
Yeah.
Wait, speaking of
And
Chip, where is
it's
Chip?
Chicken chips.
Whoa. Alright,
So you turn into a chicken.
I'm not gonna turn to a chicken.
So now you turn into a chicken.
I'm a cat. I'm never a chicken. I'm just a normal cat, an innocent cat that didn't do anything, but you did something to a beautiful cat. Don't do this to me. Are you gonna do this to me?
No. Huh?
Well. Wait, can I say Luna P?
Okay.
Hi, Luna P.
Is this hi?
What's up? Nothing?
Is this good?
Oh, you're doing good. This is too uncomfortable. Yo, Luna P. Luna P. Luna P, get out of the camera.
Only pussy, we can have fun. We can only think have fun.
Luna P, can you sing Luna P the song?
Luna P, Luna P, Luna P, Luna P,
No.
Luna P,
Oh, this is gonna be a bummer.
Luna P, Luna P, today.
Luna P, stop. Luna P, stop. Luna P, Luna P, Luna P.
Luna P,
you're gonna be a big time. What? Who turned off the? Oh, okay, right. Luna P, stop it right now.
Alright.
Stop it.
Luna P.
Oh my. Okay. Oh
Luna pee, Luna pee.
Cup fell. Oh my god, that was a pain.
Now you turn it to a chicken.
Okay, Usaki. Sorry, Usaki. Never mind. It's alright. Chibi.
Yeah?
Chibi Moon. You're not supposed to cook random human beings. You're innocent. And also, never do that, okay?
Alright. I had to make a real chicken.
Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go get. Tell me when the chicken's ready.
Okay.